iOS 15 update brings a lot of new features to your iPhone. Among them, the feature added on FaceTime is awesome and absolutely new experiment looks great. We can also say that iOS 15 is for FaceTime. When you open the FaceTime, you can see two options, create link and other is new FaceTime. Create link by which you can share it link and anyone with the link can join in. You can share to message on social media. New FaceTime. So many features added that can only be seen on call, so let's call first. Left side of your image, you can see a small tappable option that is for portrait mode that blur your background image while on call. By these features, you can access these features from control panel too. Here you can see video effect. While you tap, there you can see FaceTime and below there is portrait mode. You can send message while on call from this option. The new feature Apple introduced on iOS 15 is that to change your mic mode while on FaceTime call. Here you can see three options: normal mode, voice isolation mode, and wide spectrum mode, voice isolation. This option pick up only your voice while call that mute the background noise. That is awesome feature. Noise cancellation on FaceTime. Wide spectrum mode. If you choose that option, the surroundings noise also captured by your mic that make your voice full with disturbance on call. If you click on the name, then you can enter the profile and see the grid layout. You also have the option to silence any request to join. The new feature that Apple added on the iOS 15 is that you can share your screen to the group calling. A really cool feature called SHARE that allows caller to share movies, songs, videos, and photos with friends while on FaceTiming. Feel free to ask if you got any problems. Stay with us by subscribe. Press bell for the latest video notification. Love from our side, the GSM solution. Peace out till the next time. Stay safe, stay granted.